Unlock the potential of passive income with Shopify's affiliate program. Join a community of entrepreneurs and start earning by promoting one of the most trusted e-commerce platforms in the world. Whether you are a blogger, influencer, or just passionate about online business, you can earn generous commissions for every referral. Don't just dream about financial freedom. Make it a reality with Shopify. Sign up today and turn your influence into income. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money with Shopify affiliate program. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into shopify.com. So this is the homepage as you can see, and right now let's know what is Shopify affiliate program. So Shopify affiliate program allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting Shopify's e-commerce platform. Affiliates can share unique referral links with their audience, and when someone signs up for Shopify that link, the affiliate earns a commission. This program is ideal for bloggers, influencers, and anyone with an online presence looking to monetize their content while helping others start their own online stores. So first of all, you click over Apply Now. Once you do that, you will find other page which is apply to become a Shopify affiliate. You click over we have here earn commission by referring you or established merchants to build their business on a Shopify store. And then we have here select your country, and then you click over sign up. We have here contact teams for Shopify. So once you read these things, you have just to click over accept, and you will find other page which is sign up with your email. So you write your first name, your last name, your username, your email address, your password, then you choose your country first, and you write your mobile phone, and then you click over get started. Once you do that, you'll find this page. How would you categorize your business? Select the option that best describes how you interact with your audience and what they come to you for. This helps brands learn more about your business. Then you have your social influencer. Audience follows me for entertainment, education, and community, and they engage with social native content that we produce. Then you have your content and reviews. Audience comes to my properties to learn more about specific products or product categories, find gift ideas, read reviews, and make informed purchasing decisions. Then we have loyalty and rewards, deal and coupons. Then we have email and newsletter, search and comparison, network also, technology solution, and then we have cross audience monetization. Once you do that, you click over continue, and then you'll find this page, add social. You can add more than one accounts from each type of social platforms like Instagram here, Facebook, X, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, LinkedIn, WeChat, Weibo, and you choose the one you want. Then we have to tell us about yourself. For example, if you are an individual, you click over individuals and then you write your account display name, your country here, and your first street address, your second street address, your city also, your zip code, then time zone here, and currency also. And if you are company, you have just to click over company, account display name, you have to select your website, company websites, LinkedIn company page, then country and region, mail address, the first street address, the second street address, the city, zip code, then time zone here, and then we have currency here, for example dollar. Then you click over submit. Once you do that, you will continue with your sign up and your apply. So right now we have here various information like become a Shopify affiliate, earn commission when you refer your merchants to select Shopify Plus or Shopify point of sale. Then we have two ways to refer and earn. The first one, Shopify Plus referrals, get paid when you refer new merchants to eligible Shopify plans. Then we have your Shopify Plus Pro referrals, earn up to $150 for every eligible point of sale pro referral. Then you have here join thousands of affiliates from across the globe. Content creators, course educators, influencers, and review sites are helping their audience launch successfully business on Shopify while earning competitive referral commissions and elevating themselves as leaders in their industry. We have you are committed to success. We help you make the most referrals possible with resources to support your content development and assist your referral traffic's conversion rate. Get access to a library of global recreative, ready-made education and lead managed and detailed performance insights through your personal dashboard. Then we have frequently asked questions. For example, what is the Shopify affiliate program? The Shopify program includes entrepreneurs, educators, influencers, and content creators who inspire and teach the audience about entrepreneurship with Shopify. The program is free to join. Then we have what requirements do I need to meet to apply? To apply, you must firstly own and run an active website, then have an established audience, then create original content such as online courses, seminars, blog posts, or videos. Then we have an experience with Shopify or other e-commerce platforms. Then the last one, which is have read and agreed to the Shopify partner program agreement. Then we have other questions like how will I know if my application is accepted? Can I become a Shopify affiliate in each country? How are referrals tracked? What is the commission structure? How does payment work? Which information can I track about the merchants refer? Then what are Shopify's brand guidelines? So if you are looking to leverage platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram for the Shopify affiliate program, here are some strategies and tips for each. The first one we have YouTube. So about this one we have here, this one, this person or this one creates content and just let his link in the comment section below. Here we have it. And if you click over this link, he will get a commission. That's how you can make money on Shopify. So YouTube is a powerful platform for affiliate marketing, allowing you to create in-depth content that engages viewers and builds trust. By producing products, reviews, tutorials, and unboxing videos, you can showcase the benefits of various products sold through Shopify stores. Be sure to include your affiliate links in the video description, making it easy for viewers to purchase what they see. Then we have TikTok also. TikTok thrives on creativity and short form content, making it an ideal platform for promoting Shopify products in fun and engaging ways by creating quick product demos, participating in trending challenges, or utilizing popular sounds. You can capture the attention of a wide audience. Use your bio link to direct followers to your link to affiliate products and incorporate relevant hashtags like hashtag Shopify fans to increase visibility. The platform's feel natural. Nature means that even a single well-crafted video can significantly boost your affiliate sales. Then we have here Instagram. So Instagram is perfect for visually showcasing products, making it a key platform for affiliate marketing. By utilizing shoppable posts, you can tag products directly in your image, allowing followers to easily explore and purchase. Stories are another effective tool. Share a quick recommendation and utilize the link sticker for someone's access to your affiliate link. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.